This video will walk you through how to do an economic analysis for our dehumidification heat pipe on SelectPlus. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into my selection. I already created a project called Tampa High School, and I have an air handler here for AHU1. So let's go into this selection and let's go through the process. I have a fin height of 50 inches, fin length of 60, a 10,000 CFM 100% outside air system, 9179 entering, and 5049 leaving my cooling coil. Let's go ahead and click calculate and see what happens at design. So you can see you're getting about 12 degrees of pre-cool and 12.3 degrees of reheat. But since I'm designing this thing for a high school, I want to see what the heat pipe can save me year round. So to do this, you have to do an economic analysis. So go ahead and click this button right here. And here's your input screen for your economic analysis. Step 1, what you want to do is select a location. So let's go ahead and find Tampa, Florida. And Tampa is right here, Tampa International Airport weather bin data. Hit apply. Now for my runtime, obviously my school is not open on Saturday and Sundays, and it's not open year round. So let's go ahead and put the hours first. So let's start at, let's say 7 a.m. to 1700, which is about 5 p.m. For Saturday, let's put NA since we don't want the hours or any savings from those days. And let's say summer vacation is June, July, and August. So let's deselect those months. And then click Load Bin Data. Now what will happen is all the weather bin data from Tampa, Florida will be populated with the hours adjusted based on the hours and months you selected on the left. So go ahead and click Duplicate Row. And what that will do is it will pull down the 10,000 CFM as your original input, as well as the leaving air temperature off your cooling coil, so you don't have to type it in manually in every single row. So go ahead and click Calculate Economic Analysis. At the saving summary screen, you'll be able to see how much your wraparound heat pipe is saving on a yearly basis, as well as be able to change inputs such as electric rate, hot water, and even EER of your air handler. So let's go ahead and select for this example. Let's assume an electric rate of 8 cents. And let's assume that my reheat is hot water. Change this to 1.5 per therm and hit calculate. And you'll see that the savings has adjusted based on your electric rate and hot water rate that you selected. Now the savings is calculated based on your pre-cool and reheat savings, your static cost, which is really the only true cost of the wraparound, the pressure drop that you experience going through the pre-cool heat pipe and the reheat heat pipe, as well as it shows an input for the overall cost of your system. Now let's say this is going to cost you $7,000 for this wraparound. And if you hit calculate, you'll see that the return on investment is 2.4 years. It also shows the recovery efficiency ratio of your wraparound. Now if you're unfamiliar with this ratio, you can actually read more about it in HRI Guideline V. And essentially what it is, it's taking into account how efficient your energy recovery device is. Now the units are BTUs per hour over watts. So for a wraparound heat pipe, the way you would calculate that is you would take your BTUs that you recover over the pressure drop, or in watts, that used to recover that energy. So that's really telling you how efficient your energy recovery device is. Whereas let's say another energy recovery device such as a wheel, you do also need to take into the pressure drop, but also the motor, purge, as well as potential leakage in your system. So you have to take into account all these factors to calculate your RER. And it's really a true measure to calculate how efficient your energy recovery device is recovering that energy. Now let's say we want to print this onto a nice PDF document to give to our customer or share with our owner. So let's go ahead and click Continue and Save and Close. At the project schedule screen, you can now output the PDF document of your economic analysis. You could do this by clicking this bar chart for View Reports and check Bin Analysis. Click Report, and you'll see that another tab opens up in your browser. Make sure you have your pop-up blocker enabled for heatpipeselect.com. Now to output this to a PDF document, you just click this and click PDF. And it will download to your downloads folder depending on the browser you're using. And now you have your economic analysis ready to send to your customer, to an owner, showing you how the heat pipe is performing year-round for Tampa, Florida. And you can see here that the total savings is displayed here at the bottom, pressure drop, and your pre-cool and reheat savings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I would encourage you to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, and have a wonderful day.